The yearly path of the sun, called the analemma, the solar analemma, which model of the Earth does it line up with? Let's take a look. So I posted this video a few days ago about the sun's analemma. It makes this figure 8. This right here is filmed from the north. So if you look, the sun's high in the sky here, and it's making this small loop. That means summertime for the north. The larger loop down here on the bottom would be winter time for the north. Okay, now here's a video. On the right side, it's 45 degrees north in Montreal, Canada. On the left side, it's 45 degrees south in Chile. Now, both high points up here is the summer, and both of the low points where the sun is at is going to be the winter. Pay attention to the size of the loops correlated with the seasons. So as you see here, remember the right is the north, the left is the south. As you see here, the small loop is summer for the north. The large loop over here is summer for the south. The large loop over here is winter for the north. The small loop is winter for the south. So pay attention to the loops and the seasons. As you know, the claim is on the globe, the seasons and the solar analemma is determined by the tilt. So summer and winter right here, and then it flip-flops with winter and summer right here. Now, does this line up with the analemma, with the small loop and big loop on a symmetrical globe? So now let's look at a flat Earth map. So you see in the south summer, the sun is on the larger loop, the Tropic of Capricorn. Then it makes its way to the equator, making its way to the Tropic of Cancer, which in the north would be the northern summer, which is where it's at right now, the small loop. And that process just reverses itself as it goes back out to the equator and then all the way back out to the Tropic of Capricorn on the larger loop. So you see small loop in the middle, large loop on the outside of this flat Earth map. So back to the still image of the video that I showed earlier. So look, the larger loop is always representing the sun's position when it's on the outside ring of the flat Earth map, which is the Tropic of Capricorn. The small loop is always representing the sun's position on the smaller circle, which is the Tropic of Cancer on a flat Earth map. And here is the analemma projected on that flat Earth map. And then here is the analemma projected on a globe map. You make the decision on which one you think it lines up with. I think it's pretty clear.